Okay, today in the Jorzaky workshop I will be taking off all these dial legs and I'll have to replace them with some dial legs to fit this movement, the Ronda 515 battery movement, so they all fit together in the case. So yeah, once I've taken those dial legs off, I'll have to put them back on using this machine. So I probably have to make a template. So yeah, I might do that over on the lathe. Just make up a template, maybe out of brass, just so I can get all the dial legs in the right spot. Okay, I've decided not to make the template to line up the dial legs. I've decided to put it all in the case, which is going to make it easier to locate where those dial legs have to go. So I've lined it all up. I'm just going to locate the position. Okay, so now when I take that all apart, we should have a mark on the dial where the legs have to go. So yep, I have a fine mark there and one just there.